This is a quick video showing how to create and how to build a subscription-based website using Subscription Website Builder in about 10 minutes. It's very quick. All you have to do is define what your products are, the unique selling points of each package, and by the time you get to the end you have a complete website which allows you to sell your services or products on a monthly subscription. Just click Start Building Now for free and type in the business name. So for example, let's do Coffee Trader, and put in your email address. So I'll put in Chris. And let's say we have a coffee subscription service and we have two options, one for our premium coffee and another for another type of coffee that we might be selling. So let's say package 1, and this one we don't have a one-off price, it's a reoccurring price of £12.99 a month. We can choose a picture if we want, and we need to put in the unique selling points of this product. So we'll put in premium grain, and we'll say, I don't know, UK made. And what else could we say for unique selling points of this product? Hand picked. And let's add a second package. So we'll call this package 2. And we will put a one-off price for this because it's a bit more expensive, and we want to say an upfront cost for this one of £15 to prepare the order. Perhaps it's a large order that needs additional costs to get started, and this cost will be £25.50 per month. And we'll say the best coffee in the land. Oh, if we can spell properly. Best coffee in the land. And fast delivery, and perhaps you get a, I don't know, a free, what could you get for free? You get a free coffee tamper. Coffee tamper is what you use to press down the coffee granules. And what this will do now is build that site with those two options and generate a site for you. So we'll click on continue and the site gets built. Only takes a few moments.